Good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to online CRT classes. We are going to continue our topic problems on trains, part 3. Right. So, here we discuss the part 1 is nothing but based on the problems like with the object, without, and with the relative speeds. And then these are the problems we discussed yesterday. And I said actually, I'll give the formulas for trains meeting, right? Trains meeting, I'll give the formulas. I said yesterday that how many types is there in trains meeting? Three types is there. Three types. Mainly we'll find these three types in computer exams. So first is they will give the distance. They will give the two station between the distance and they will ask maybe where it will meet, when it will meet. Okay. And type 2 is they will without distance, they will mention without distance the from two stations, one train and another one is moving opposite to each other. Then they will ask where they will meet, maybe where, what is the distance, what's the distance between the two stations. And type 3 is same station. The two trains will leave from same station. So when they will cross each other, when they will meet each other. So these type of problems regularly they will find out in competitive exams. And we discussed yesterday same problems in traditional way, that too with concept. Now I'll use the formulas, but I'll always prefer go with traditional method only, because why I'll say in the end of the class. Okay. Now come to the type 1 first. Type 1, what's up with distance? So for with distance, we have a two formulas to finding the where they will meet distance, how much distance they will meet from point A or point B. Suppose I'll give one example question, people will understand. See, the distance between two stations A and B is 300. A train leaves station A at a speed of 30 km per hour. At the same time, another train departs from station B. Same time, okay, at the speed of 45 kilometers. What will be the distance of the points where both trains will meet from point A? So what they're asking, where they will meet from point A. So two stations, right? From one station they're asking where they will meet. So for that one, so the formula is D equal to the distance is nothing but where the distance equal to speed 1 into the train two station distance. D is nothing but here station distance between the stations. They given right here 300 kilometers distance between the stations. Okay. Distance between the stations and speed 2 and time. Okay. Then S1 plus S2. Okay. So this will be the distance and time. So D distance plus S2 into T by S1 plus S2. So this is the type 1 formula. And come to the type 2. Type 2 is nothing but they will not going to mention the distance. Here see. Two trains starts the same time from A and B and proceed towards B and A at 36 km per hour, 42 km per hour respectively. When they meet, it is found that one train has moved 48 kilometers more than the other. What is the distance between A and B? The distance, train stations distance they are asking. Okay, distance between the stations. So here directly the distance is nothing but this D is nothing but the difference. The difference is the right 48 kilometers. 48 kilometers. And speed 1, speed 2, and speed 1, difference of speed 2. That is this one. And come to the third type. So third type, it is nothing but starts from same station. So distance when they will meet, the distance is nothing but S1 into S2 into time difference. So in the same station is where when they will leave the time difference here. Okay. And here S1, S2. speed differences, and time when they will meet. When they will meet, s1 into t by difference of s1 s2. Okay, now we'll see one by one question. By using these methods, by using these formulas, we'll solve this all the questions now. Okay, first question. Yeah, see here, the first question. Two trains starts at the same time, A and B, and proceeds towards B and A at 36 kilometers and 42 kilometers fast respectively. When they meet, it is found that one train has moved 48 kilometers more than the other. What is the distance between A and B? Here they are asking find the distance between A and B. So clearly we can understand this is the type 2 problem. Type 2 problem. What is the type 2 formula? See here. Distance equal to d into s1 plus s2 and difference between speeds, right? So I'll take the equation here. See, distance equal to d into s1, sorry, s1 plus s2 and divide by s1 time difference of s2. Okay, for both this one is okay. See here, this is for both. The d is difference of this one. Okay, now we know the speeds, right? We know the speeds. What are the speeds? First, we know the d. What's the d here? The time, sorry, distance difference where they found, when they will meet 48 kilometers more than other. So, right? So 48 into what is the S1 here? 36 kilometers. Okay, plus what's the S2? 42 kilometers. Okay, by what's the difference of S1, S2? 6 kilometers. Right? 36 and 42. So no negatives, only difference. So now 48 into 78 by 6. 6. 78 is nothing but 6 ones, 6 13s. So 13 into 48. 13 into 48. What's the answer? 40, 480. 480 plus 3, 120, 144. 44. So it is nothing but 624, right? 624. 624 will be the distance. So directly you can get the answer by substituting the values here. It is easy. It is quite easy. I'm saying this. Okay. When you know the formula and when you remember this formula and you have all the values, then you just substitute these values in formula. Then you will get distance 624 kilometers. What is this distance from A and B? Station A and B distance. Okay. Now you're going to clear this. Another one. The distance between two stations A and B is 300 kilometers. A train leaves station A at the speed of 30 kilometers. At the same time, another train departs from station B at the speed of 45 kilometers. What will be the distance of the points where both the trains meet from the A? What they're asking, distance from A point they're asking. What is the, which type of question it is? They given the distance here 300, so it is nothing but first type. What is the first type? Formula d D, where they will meet, it's nothing but S1 into D plus S2 T by S1 plus S2. So now we're going to solve this with this formula. So here you just write. So what is the formula? S1, I'm writing here, okay? S1 into D plus S2 T by S1 plus S2. This is the formula. Now, what is the D here? This is a distance, nothing but distance. 300 plus. What is the S2? 45. Okay. The T. What is the T here? T is nothing but difference between the time. But here in this question, they said the both trains started the same time. Same time means there is no difference, 0. Okay. Divided by S1 and S2. S1 is 30 km per hour and S2 is 45 km per hour. Into what's the S1? 30. So just simplify, calculate this. So it will become 0 and 300 by 75. 300 by 75 is nothing but 4, right? 75, 75. Yeah, 4. 4 into 30. Okay, I'm cancel this. This is a 4. This value is 4. And 4 into 30 is nothing but 120 kilometers. 120 kilometers. After 120 kilometers from A, after 120 kilometers from A, it will, the both train will meet, okay, from A. In the point B, if they ask the point B, so just simple, reverse. So 300 minus 120. 300 minus 120 is nothing but 180. 180. This is the distance. If they will ask if the distance of the point, okay, in the same condition, if the same question, if they ask time also, if they ask time also, for time, what's the formula? T equal to distance plus S2 T by S1 plus S2. So here, distance is 300 plus S2 is 45 and time difference will be 0 and S1 is 30 plus 45. It's nothing but directly you can say 75. 300 by 75 is nothing but 4 hours. After 4 hours, they will meet each other. Okay. This is the formula question. Now I'm going to clear this. Now we'll move for the next question. Okay, a train leaves the station at 5 a.m. at 60 km per hour. Another train leaves the same station 6:30 a.m. 6:30 a.m. at 75 km and travel in the direction of the first train. Means same. The both trains are moving to same direction. At what time and at what distance from the station will they meet? What they're asking, what time and what distance they're going to meet, they're asking. So it is comes under the time type 3. Why type 3? Type 3. Where type 3? It will be when the both train will start at the same station, same direction. Okay, same station. Okay. Now, what they're asking, distance. What the distance formula here? Distance is formula is S1 into S2 into T by S1 difference of S2. Now, just substitute the values. What is the S1? What is the S1? 60 kilometers. And what's the S2? 75 kilometers. Okay. Into what's the T? What is the T? Difference of the time. It started 5 a.m. It started 6:30 a.m. It's nothing but 1.5 hour is difference. 1.5 hour. Okay. 1.5 hour is nothing but in 1.5 hours. Hours will take. Okay. 1.5 hours. By S1, S2. What's the difference between S1, S2? It is 60 and 70. It's nothing but 15. Okay. 15 ones, 15 fives. Right? 15 fives. So 5, 60 into 1.5. It's nothing but 10, 15, 15, 90. 90 90 into 5. It's nothing but 450, right? And 450 kilometers. 450 kilometers, the distance. After 450 kilometers, the train will meet. After 450 kilometers, the trains will both the trains will meet, right? No, this is the first distance. If they ask time also, right? What the time and what's the distance? What the time? So time formula is nothing but t equal to, I'm going to clear this first. T equal to S1 into T by S1 and S2. So what's the S1? What's the S1? 60 kilometers. 60 kilometers into what's the time difference? 1.5 hours by time difference, speed difference is nothing but 15. 15 ones, 15 fours. So 4 into 1.5 is nothing but 6 hours, right? After 6 hours, they will meet each other. After 6 hours, they will meet each other. Okay. Okay. How this question is solved by the traditional method. So what I said always, just like a chasing, What's the distance? It is forward. I mean, it's what's the distance between first train and second train when it started. So 5 a.m. it started and 6:30 p.m. What's the 6:30 p.m.? So how many kilometers is travel? 5 to 6, 1 hour, 60 kilometers plus half an hour, 30 kilometers, 90 kilometers it travel. This 90 kilometers, this 90 kilometers, what's the time difference? 15. 15. So 15 was 15, 6. Directly you can say 6 hours. So which one is easy? Actually, traditional method only easy. But if you know, if you want to use the formulas, you can use the formulas. Okay, right. Now, another question. Move for the another question. Two trains start at the same time from Chennai to Hyderabad and proceed towards each other at the rate of 60 km per hour, 40 km per hour. When they meet, it is found that one train has traveled 20 kilometers more than other. Find the distance between Chennai and Hyderabad. So what they're asking, find the distance between Chennai and Hyderabad, right? So that means which type of question it is? Second type of question, right? So second type of question. What is the formula for second type of question? Distance equal to d into S1 plus S2 by S1 difference of S2. Nothing, just substitute the values. What's the D? 20 kilometers. 20 into, what's the S1? 60 plus 40. 100, directly I'm taking. Okay, 100. What's the difference? 20. So 21's 25. So 5 into 20 is nothing but 100 kilometers. Okay. 100 kilometers. Just simple question. Okay, but it's by using the formula. Remember this. Okay. Okay. Now another question. We'll move for another question. Delhi to Mumbai distance is 560 kilometers. A train starts from Mumbai to Delhi at 6 a.m. with a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Another train starts from Delhi to Mumbai at 7 a.m. with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. At what distance from Mumbai and at what time will two trains will meet each other? Okay, this by seeing itself we can say this is the type 1 because they given the distance here. Okay, now what they're asking, at what distance from the Mumbai and what time will two trains will meet each other. Okay, what's the formulas? The type 1, the distance formula is nothing but S1 into D plus S2 T by S1 plus S2. So now, what's the S1? 40 kilometers into what's the D? 560 plus what's the S2? 60 kilometers per hour. And what's the time difference here? 6 o'clock this one and 7 o'clock this one. So 1 hour by S1 plus S2, 40 plus 60, 100. Now, so 40 into it is 620. 620 by 100 into 40. So think about 0, 0, 0, cancel. So 62 kilometers. Right? Sorry, here 4 is there, right? So 4, I forgot the 4. 62 into 4, 62 into 4. What's the 62 into 4? 240 plus 28. So 248. 248 kilometers. So you have to say, right? Okay, 4 is there. Okay, 240 kilometers. Now, time. Is it clear, right? Is it clear right now? Is it clear? Now, second thing, what they're asking, time. Time they're asking. For the time formula, time is nothing but d plus s2 into t by s1 plus s2. So what's the d? 560 kilometers plus what's the x2 s2 60 kilometers into 1. Time difference is 1 by 100, right? It's nothing but 620 by 100, right? So 6.2 hours, 6.2 hours, 6.2 hours means 6 hours 12 minutes. 0.2 hours in converted into minutes is 12 minutes. 6 into 12 minutes. Okay. Right. Now, see, from P and Q, two trains starts moving towards each other. At the same time, their speeds are 120 kilometers and 100 kilometers respectively. When the two trains meet each other, one train has covered 40 kilometers more than other train. Find the distance between P and Q. So what they're asking here, find the distance between P and Q. So it is comes to the type 2 problem, right? Type 2. Just take the formula of type 2. What's the formula? D into S1 plus S2, S1 difference of S2. See, instead of remembering these formulas, we can solve traditional method easy way. Okay, anyhow, so here I need to give the formulas also. That's why I'm giving to you. Okay, information. That's now you see. What's the D here? One train cover 40 kilometers more. So D is 40, 40 into what's the S1? 120 plus 100 kilometer per hour by what's the difference? 20. Now here 40 into 220 by 20. So it get cancelled. It's 11. 11 into 4. So it is nothing but 44 0 440 kilometers. Okay, 440 kilometers. Is it clear? No. So by using this formula, we are going to solve this very easily. Okay, same problem with the traditional method. How we are going to solve? I explained already, right? So first of all, one, they're asking distance between P and Q. They're asking distance between P and Q. So from this is P and this is Q, and train one here and train one here. Somewhere it is meeting and it is 40 kilometers more. So that 40 kilometers more divided by what's the difference of time directly? 20. So 40 kilometers more, difference of time 20. So 2 2s. So 2 hours, after 2 hours they meet. After 2 hours they meet now. So 2 hours means, so 100 kilometer per speed, the train 2 hours travel. How many kilometers? 1 hour 100 kilometers. 2 hours 200 kilometers. And 120 kilometers. 2 hours 120 and 120 240. So it's nothing but 440. So no need to remember the formulas, nothing. Just we know the time now, 2 hours. So this train will 2 hours and this train will 2 hours. So total distance is nothing but 440 kilometers. Which one is easy? I prefer this. Okay, now. Okay, another question. Two trains A and B leaves Kolkata for Sikkim at 8 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. respectively, and turns and run at 90 km per hour and 120 km per hour. At what distance from Kolkata and what time the two trains will meet? So this comes under type 3 because the two trains A and B leaves from Kolkata. Both are from living from Kolkata. What's the type 3 formula? Distance is nothing but, wait a minute. Distance is nothing but S1, S2 into T, right? Now, S1 difference of S2. So now substitute these values. What's it? First S1. What is that's nothing but 90 into 120 kilometers. What's the time difference? Time difference 8 and 8:30. Just half an hour. Just that's mean 0.5 hour. Okay, just everything is kilometer, right? Hour we just take 0.5 hours. And now divided by what's the difference of speeds? 90 and 120. It's nothing but 30. So 31s, 34s. Okay, 4. It's nothing but 90 into 0.5, then 5. 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 9, 20 into 9, 180. Yeah, 180 kilometers. Okay, simple. After 180 kilometers, they will meet and they will ask the time also, right? Time also. They'll ask the time also. So now the time S1 T by S1 difference of S2. So what's the S1? 90 kilometers into time difference 0.5 hours by half an hour is 0.5 hours only, right? So, and what's the time difference? 30 kilometers. So 30 ones, 33s. So 3 into 0.5, 1.5 hours. Clear? So 1.5 hours. So there's nothing but 1 hour 30 minutes or 1.5 hour. They will meet each other after 1.5 hour. After 1.5 hour means you need to consider this one. You need to consider the time this one. After 1.5 hour, when the second train started from that 1.5 hour. So 8:30 plus 1.5 hour. What's that? At 10 p.m. they will meet each other. At 10 p.m. Okay, 10 p.m. they will meet each other. So if that time, how much time after how much time means 1.5 hour. Okay, is it clear? So this is what the thing. And now the last question. Why I am not going to prefer this formulas means, see this here. Station M and N are 276 kilometers apart. At the exact time, a train starts from M and other from N towards N and M respectively. These trains meet after 12 hours. The train traveling from M to N is slower by 14 kilometers in comparison to other train. Okay, what is the speed of slower train? What they are asking here? What is the speed of slower train? They are asking. Okay, and so how are we going to solve this? This they given the distance here. It comes under the first one. It comes under the first type. But in first type, what we required here? See, S1 and S2. But they didn't given the speeds S1 and S2. Clear? So without that, how we are going to solve with formula? No, right? So you must know the concept, how we are going to start, how we are going to end this one. So think, how we are going to solve this one. So see, what's the difference of time? Whenever first you just take the difference of the speed. speed difference is nothing but 14 kilometer per hour. So this with 14 kilometer per hour, it travels 12 hours, right? So 12 hours, 12 hours. So distance is nothing but t into s, time into s. So 14 kilometers speed difference, one train travel 12 hours. So 12 into 14. So 14, 140 plus 28, 168. 168 kilometers it traveled. What, which train, which train is faster? It traveled 168 kilometer more compared to another train. 168 kilometers more compared to another train. Now, what's the total distance? 276. And the train, which train is faster, it covers more, 168 kilometers more. So just subtract that 168. So what we'll get? 100, 176, and it's nothing but 176, 68, 108, right? 108. What's this 108? Two trains cover these 108 kilometers at the same time. So 12 hours, 12 hours, the two trains is covered from here to her. 108 kilometers. So each train will cover 54 kilometers. So one train 54, another train 54 plus 168. Okay, this is what the concept. So now 54 kilometers by 12 hours. It's nothing but 4.5 hours. What's the time? 4.5 hours of 4.5 kilometer per hour. 4.5 kilometer per hour. The train speed is a slower train. Slower train. Another train will be plus 14 kilometers. It's nothing but 18.5 kilometers. Okay. Hope you understand. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now. We'll continue these remaining questions in another section.